Yeah, today on Max Handy Gadgets, I thought I would do an unboxing of this dehydrator rack I bought for my Instant Pot Pro Crisp. It's supposed to fit the Ninja Foodie 6.5 quart and the 8 quart. So it should be good. It's all made of stainless steel. So let's open her up, see what's inside. Alright, there it is. Pretty nice little rack. It's supposed to be all stainless steel. There. I think you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 racks here. That's 5 of these racks, so that's pretty good. So let's check them out. Yeah, let's see how this thing works. Oh, I see you got a little stand here, and that's 3, 4, yep, 5 racks. All right, let's get rid of the box. Yeah, let's see how this rack works. Seems like you just slide them in there. Yeah. All right. Let's see how that works. Okay, let's see if we can get the racks in there. Yeah, these are a little bit tight. They're like, you got to spread them out a little. They're like spring loaded. So let's try to get a bottom one in here. See how it is? You got to spring it out some. Once they're in there, they're in. They're not going anywhere. You see that? They're like, oh, maybe a 2-inch gap there. Not quite 2. I'll have to measure that for you. I'll be right back. Let me get a ruler. Yeah, it's like an inch. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like 1 inch between there. So yeah, it'd be good for dehydrating like jerky and stuff like that. And you can keep putting the racks in. Once you get that bottom one in, the rest go in easy. Now you spread that out a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. All right, they're in there. 5 racks. Yeah, they work. They sit down there on there, and you can pick them right out of the Instant Pot. Yep. All right, let's see. What are we going to do with them? Well, you know what you can do? You can layer like maybe some chicken in there when you're air frying. Yeah, you can move the racks up or down. That's a little tight yet. Let's move them up one. All right, let's move him up one, see how it is. All right, there you go. Yeah, now a piece of chicken will fit in there. So you could put a couple pieces of chicken right in there, in that section right there. And then you can probably use maybe an upper rack here and put some more in there, so you can get like 6 pieces of chicken in there. And air fry them. And they'll be all separate if you want it. Or you could put 6 pieces of chicken in there if you wanted to, and you could also pressure cook it. That'll be good on the Instant Pot. So it has a good use to it. That'll be good. And this seems like they're going to be easy enough to clean. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll be probably using them at a later date. Might be making some chicken or whatever on there. That sounds good. Yeah, so I thought you would like to see that dehydrator rack. It's supposed to fit the 6 quart, 6.5 quart, and 8 quart Instant Pot Duo Crisp, and also the Ninja Foodie 6.5 and 8 quart. So, and it's made of stainless steel. So there you go. I thought you'd like to see that. Also, you can fold it up and put it back in the box when you're not using it. So that's a plus. And you can just put it in the cupboard somewhere and use it next time. Yep, that sounds good. All right, I'll see you on the next one.